Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting haul video for you all. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, then you probably know because I posted a poll on my Insta asking whether you want to see a skincare haul or a footwear haul. Most of you requested to do first skincare, which I've already posted. Do check out, I will put it on the I-bar. And the next video which I promised to do was my footwear haul. So here I am with the footwear haul video for you all. It's gonna be a part 1 and part 2. Stay tuned for that. And now with the longest intro, now we're gonna dive into today's haul video. Let's just get started. So the best thing is the footwears which I'm going to show you are under $5.99, so you can get amazing collection what I'm going to show you. So the first footwear which I have is this beautiful embellishment footwear. It is by the brand Stock and this retail for $5.99 and it has this beautiful heel. It is pretty long but it is very comfortable. That's the reason I actually went ahead and bought a couple of others heels from the same brand because they're really comfortable. And this is how it looks, and this is a tie which you need to tie around your leg. And the next heel which I have is this beautiful leather suede material and it has this leopard print all over. Again, this has got a high heel and this is how it looks, very pretty and very comfortable. It comes with this belt sort of a thingy which goes around your ankle and it's extremely comfortable, guys. So this retail for $5.99 and again this is from the same brand Stock, and yeah, I will have details in the description box. It's a beautiful stilettos, guys. I really like it. So the next footwear which I have is this beautiful white color sneakers and this is how it looks. What I really like about these sneakers are the this pattern, holographic pattern which is going all over the shoes, and also you get it inside the shoe as well. This part, if you can see here, these are super trendy, very affordable. This just retail for $5.79, which is like within $5.99 rupees. Always love these type of sneakers, very comfortable, and the sole is also extremely soft. It is not like a hard or a heavy material. The shoe feels very lightweight as well, guys. So the next footwear which I have is a very vibrant color. I always wanted to have this in my collection. This is a neon stilettos and this has this box heel, guys. Absolutely love this. Again, very comfortable, very high quality. You get this belt along, same brand Stock, and I will have details in the description box. Extremely comfortable footwear, guys, and this again retail for $5.99. It is actually within $5.99 right now. There is sale going on. The quality is extremely good, guys. There is no compromise on the quality. Very soft material. And the last piece which I have is this beautiful stilettos again. You can actually make a wrap around your calf muscles and it actually looks beautiful and classic. I will put this picture here. You can see how it actually looks. So I'm going to return this one and get a bigger size for myself. So guys, with that said, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'm going to show you how you can actually shop from Bulbul. So basically you need to download the app from Android or iOS, the Bulbul app, and the most convenient is to actually chat with a real human person, that is your shopping buddy. You will have a link down in the description box. Just click that link and that will take you to WhatsApp. Take the screenshots of the product which I've showed you today in this video. You just need to send those pictures to the shopping buddy. They will be able to assist you with the sizes, quality, every single thing, guys. That's a complete hassle-free process. And also it comes with a 5-star policy which includes cash on delivery and your free shipping as well as 5 days of return policy. Isn't it so great, guys? Do check out all the details in the description box. And yeah, with that said, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye, guys.